Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Galewad and I am from MCA department at Vishwakarma University. Today I am going to talk about the Agile model of software engineering. Agile is a methodology that focuses on flexibility, collaboration and delivering value to the customer. In this presentation, I walk you through what is Agile, how it works, its benefits and some challenges you might face while using it. Let's begin with understanding what Agile is. In simple terms, Agile is a software development approach that emphasizes small, iterative cycle of development known as sprints. Rather than building an entire product upfront, teams deliver small chunks of working software quickly with constant feedback from the customer. The goal is to adapt to change quickly and continuously improve the product. The key principles of Agile are people and communication over process and tools. In Agile values collaboration between teams members over strictly following processes. Second, working software over documentation. The priority is to build software that works rather than getting lost in documentation. Third, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Agile teams work closely with customer to ensure the product meets their needs. And fourth, responding to change over following a plan. Agile encourages flexibility, allowing teams to adapt to changing requirements as the project evolves. Agile is based on the Agile Manifesto, which was created by 17 software developers back in 2001. They came together to form a set of values and principles that could make software development more efficient and adaptive. The four core values of the manifesto are: first one, individual and interaction are prioritized over strict process and tools. Second, working software is valued more than detailed documentation. Third, customer collaboration is more important than rigid contract terms. Fourth, responding to change is preferred over following a fixed plan. These principles guide Agile teams to focus on collaboration, flexibility, and delivering work software. Agile isn't just one thing, it's a broad approach with several frameworks or methodology that can be used. Some of the most common ones we'll see. First one is Scrum. This is the most widely used Agile framework. Scrum focused on working in short development cycle called sprints, typically last 2 to 4 weeks. In Scrums, there are specific roles like Scrum Master and Product Owner to help guide and teams to ensure everything stays on track. Second one is Kanban. This methodology uses visual approach to track work. Teams visualize their tasks on boards and limits how much work is processed at one time, helping them focus on complete tasks before starting the new one. Third one is Extreme Programming, which is XP. XP emphasizes technical practices like pair programming, text-driven development, and continuous integration. It particularly focuses on writing high-quality code. Fourth one is Lean. Inspired by Lean manufacturing principle, this methodology aims to eliminate waste in process and maximize value by focusing on what's truly important for the customer. Now, let's look at the how Agile process works. Agile development is an iterative process, meaning that the work happens in repeated cycle or sprints. Here is how it flows. First one is planning. At the beginning of each sprint, the team plans what user stores like feature or task they will work on. These are prioritized based on customer value. Second one is design. A simple flexible design is created to build a feature. It doesn't need to be detailed but should allow for easy adjustment. Third one is development. The team starts coding and building the feature. Development is done in short bursts following on delivering value quickly. Fourth one is testing. As development process, continuous testing is done to ensure that the software works as expected. Fifth one is release. At the end of the sprint, a small function part of the software is released, allowing the customer to provide feedback. The key concept in Agile is this process repeats over and over, allowing for constant improvement and flexibility. Now, why should we use Agile? There are several benefits that make it appealing for software development. Flexibility and adaptability. Agile allows teams to easily adjust to changing requirements even in the later stage of development. This means that if customers need change, the team can quickly pivot. Next, customer satisfaction. Since Agile emphasizes constant customer feedback, it ensures that the product is always aligned with the customer needs. Next one is faster time to market. By working in sprints and releasing smaller function parts of the software more frequently, Agile helps speed up the delivery of the final product. Fourth one is improved quality. Continuous testing and reviews ensure the software meets high quality standard at each state. And last one is enhanced collaboration. With daily stand-up meetings and closely teamwork, communication improves, leading to better decision and faster problem solving. However, like any methodology, Agile does not come with its own challenges, like team collaboration. Agile requires close collaboration among all team members. This can be difficult if the team isn't skilled in communication or does not work well together. Or scope creep. Agile allows for changes in direction, but if those challenges aren't properly managed, the project can easily go off track. Next challenge is documentation. Agile values working software over documentation, which can sometimes make it harder for new developers to understand the project or maintain it in future. Next is sustainability. The fast pace of Agile can lead to burnout if the team is constantly pushing out deliverables without enough breaks. Last is customer involvement. Agile requires active and continuous involvement from the customer, which might not always be possible or practical. To conclude, Agile is flexible, customer-focused approach that has transformed the way software development is done. It encourages adaptability, fast feedback, and continuous improvement. While it's ideal for projects where requirements are likely to change, success depends on having a dedicated collaborative team that can embrace changes like work in sprints. In the end, Agile isn't just methodology, it's a mindset shift toward delivering value quickly and efficiently. Thank you.